All right, here we go with Plant-B07. Looking at this, everything looks pretty good. Not sure what this yellow nubbly thing is. Oh, it came off. Oh, there's another yellow little nubbly thing right in the middle of the frame, so I don't think it's gonna be dropping. Off it goes. Have a little tiny developing picture here. I'll leave it. Nothing seems to be crowding anybody out, so I don't think there is much to do on this side except this picture. This one. This one. So here's a really nice little picture. So this overcrowding, yeah, there's just too many things going on here. So let me just remove this and that and this. Oh, do you see this? Okay, an old picture. Remove it. All right, everything's looking pretty nifty. Nothing really new here. Again, growing in a jar. This is also a 3-inch pot. Let me see. Oh, is it? Yes, it is. It's a 3-inch pot. So we're done. Feed the pitcher. Here, dip it. Top it off. It's already topped off pretty good. I think I need a pipe pit with this one. And then top it off. Turn over here. Yep, looks good. Picture. Top it off. Alright, folks. What do you think of this one? Not bad, huh? Yeah, all of these little guys here, I'll leave them alone. They're not interrupting anyone. They're not bothering nobody. Alright. So that's it for this little baby. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.